Getting ready to hunt PA. Let's let this hunt begin, baby. All right. Let's hope we see lots of deer. Hey everybody, Pop here, Outdoor Adventure Team. Today is first day of rifle season, Pennsylvania, 2022. We got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got about 10, maybe 11 guys out today. There we go. I got some crows flying already. We have 7 of them are members, I believe, so pretty good turnout this year. What are we hoping for, you ask? I know there's a 10-point and an 8-point that goes walking down that little road to my field there. Unfortunately, most of the pictures on the trail cams are at night, but who knows, maybe with all these people in the woods, we'll get them moving during the day. So, that's it for the intro. It's almost shooting light. I'm sure legally it is, but still a little too dark for me. That's it. We're going to be trying the Tactacam out with the shoot-through scope option. So hopefully we'll have a kill shot through the GoPro watching me and the Tactacam through the scope. So we'll see how that goes. Fingers crossed. So that's it. I'll get back to you if I start seeing stuff. It's 8 o'clock. I'm not seeing anything. Eight o'clock, I'm not seeing anything. Nobody's on the radios or texting that they're seeing anything, but there's a shot. A lot of shots going on behind me. Might be over in Johnson's land. Quite a few shots, actually. They might be having a good year already. I'm just seeing birds. Crows keep flying over. Had some geese fly over before. That's it for the 8 o'clock update. Hopefully something will come walking through for anybody. Especially me. Alright, I'll check back to you maybe 9 o'clock. Give you a look around before I go. Hello everybody. It's 10:15. Not much to update. I still haven't seen anything. Still a lot of shooting going on pretty close. Carl, the one guy Carl, he's hunting in the swamp this morning. He just said a little while ago that he saw 8 or 9 tails up on the ridge. He couldn't tell what they were. He just saw tails running. But they didn't run by anybody else. So he's the only one that's seeing anything, I think. I asked a little while ago if anybody saw anything. Everybody who responded said no. Nothing. And I thought Joey B took a shot a while ago behind the cabin. I asked if that was him. That was a real close shot, but he said it wasn't him. So either the people on Johnson's land next to us were hunting right by our line, or across the road. I think last year across the road they shot a few deer and it sounded like it came by our cabin. So I don't know where they were hunting. But that's it so far. The 10:15 update. Nothing to update. It's not too cold. I'm not sure exactly what the temperature is, but no wind, no clouds in the sky. It's a nice sunny day. Although I think I'd rather a little overcast. Cuts down on all the shadows. Alright, hopefully next time I come on, or next time I hit the record button, it's because there's a deer. Alright, see you then. Well, it's 11:30 update. I think Brian, the newest member of the club, I think he just shot. That was close. And he's right down there. Kind of jolted me out of my seat a little bit. Wait to see if he texts or says anything, but hopefully it goes right down, and hopefully it was a buck. I'm still not seeing anything. Not a thing. Thank God it's quiet, or thank God it's not windy and a little warm, because I hate not seeing anything and freezing my butt off. So at least it's not too bad out. So all right, that's the 11:30 update. 11:35. Well, I heard back from Brian. He said it wasn't him that shot. But man, I jumped. Unless he just missed and didn't want to say he shot. Who knows? Alright, that's it. Still nothing going on over this side. Well, going for 2 o'clock. I haven't seen anything. No deer, no squirrel, not even a chipmunk. Have the crows flying by every once in a while, and that's even few and far between now. Buddy Jeff hunting on the line over that side said he saw 2 spike bucks. Carl said he saw the 8 and 9 tails in the morning, and he saw one other one, I believe. I think Joe Pizanchin saw a squirrel maybe one only. I don't know. I think Frankie B and Brian, I don't think they're seeing anything either. So I think sun sets at 4:37, 4:34, something like that. So that's it. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, Sunday, or Sunday we could hunt. It's supposed to rain, so hopefully we'll get out for a little bit. If it's raining hard, I'm not gonna stay out. I'll go watch the football games or something and hang out with the boys. That's it. So hopefully something will come out this afternoon. I've eaten the field there and can get a shot at. I think I'll even take a doe at this point. Might as well. Not seeing anything else. That's it. I'll jump back on at 4 o'clock and let you know how it's going. Oh yeah, and my Tactacam. Well, I was showing you before. It's still acting up. I don't know what's going on with it. It'll record for 13 seconds, shut off, start recording again for 13 seconds, stop. Now, trying to get on their website to see what's going on. I'm trying to pay attention, and I don't know, maybe I'll just not worry about it and try and figure it out. We'll get back to the cabin tonight, watch YouTube videos, and get on their website to see what's happening. So, all right, that's my update. Get back in at 4. That. That was awesome. That was awesome. First time saw a bear in the woods. Too bad it was so small. I was gonna shoot it. Oh. I gotta let the boys know. Oh, awesome, awesome, awesome. 4 o'clock check-in. Haven't seen anything since the bear. Well, I did see one squirrel. So the count today so far, 3 squirrel, 1 bear. I haven't heard anybody else seeing anything. A couple of shots going around. Sounded like maybe over Davy's property. I'm gonna stick it out another half hour. Hopefully something will come in I can get a shot at. Otherwise, that'll be it for today. I won't get back on unless I see something or shoot something. And then I'll get back to you tomorrow. All right. See you then. Hey everybody. Day 2. Pennsylvania rifle combo antlerless steer season. It's 7 o'clock. Kind of warm start today, 35 degrees, supposed to get up to maybe upper 40s, but rain's coming in. local weather's predicting maybe it should get here about noon, 1 o'clock, so it's going to be heavy at times. So I'm not staying all day. If it starts raining, I'm not seeing anything. Time to go watch the football games then. Have a couple of beers with the boys. Hoping to see a deer today. That'd be nice. Although, of course, if Mama Bear comes by looking for her cub, or Daddy Bear, that'd be better. Still, the Tactacam just isn't working quite right. I don't think. I had the battery out all night, so I'm going to try to pair it up with my phone and see if it's working or not. If not, take it home. I did some online search yesterday at the cabin trying to figure out what's wrong. They said maybe update the software. That might be causing it, but who knows. But so far, Tactacam, I wouldn't recommend it. Maybe I'll do a review and tell everybody how bad it is. Or at least that I don't know what the hell I'm doing with it. Alright, that's it for now. I'm going to wait for some deer to walk by. Well, we got to get those weather people to learn how to tell time. Going for 10 o'clock and the rain's starting. He said it shouldn't be starting until 1 o'clock. Can't trust weather people. Alright, I'm going to stick it out till it starts getting real wet and then back to the cabin. Get to watch some football games, I guess. Have a couple of beers. Alright. Check back in later. Yeah, it's starting to come down a little heavier now, so I already have my backpack on the rope lowered. Could you hear it? I think I'm going to get out of the stand before I'm walking in a downpour. So, well, if it's not raining tomorrow, I'm going to a different stand. I'm going to go to the stand on the line behind the Smucker field. I don't think hunting the fields is too productive right now. So, I'll go hunt in the woods along the line. Shot deer out of there many a time. Oh, that's it. Hello, everybody. It is Monday, day 3 of the Pennsylvania rifle season. Update from yesterday. I didn't see anything. Probably went back to the cabin maybe 10 o'clock. It started raining kind of hard and stopped, kind of hard and stopped, and I didn't see anything, so I called it quits. Jeff did the same. Carl stayed a little longer, maybe about an hour or so, and he was out in the swamp, and he said he saw the same as me. Nothing. Not a deer, not a tail, not a squirrel, not even a bird. The only person that really hunted all day was Frank. He came in for a little while, get his rain gear, went back out and hunted till dark and didn't see anything, which I was really surprised. I thought deer would be moving with the rain and everything, but that's why it's hunting and not killing, right? So today, you notice I'm in a different stand. I'm in the stand behind the Smucker field. That's an ex-member's old stand. We got to tear that down. It's falling apart. And right over there, that's the Smucker field. So I know nothing's been going in the field, so maybe they're just walking by it. I'll see something walking the property line down that way. So, I know I killed a lot of deer out of that stand. The ex-member killed a lot of deer out of that stand. This is a good productive spot, so hopefully we'll see something today. Anything. No, that's about it right now. A little chilly today. It's about 39, 40 degrees, and it's not supposed to get much warmer, maybe 41. And it's a damp, with all that rain we had yesterday, it's a damp cold. And well, 4 o'clock. I still haven't seen a thing. About 5 minutes ago, a shot rang out. It sounded like maybe Joe, Jeff's son, he might have shot one. Right before that, he sent a text that the 4-point was in the field. Then he got a couple of pictures of that, so maybe a doe came in or a bigger buck. That's what he got, and hopefully Joe got one. If he did, I'll show it to you on the pole. Hello, everybody. Pop, Old Hickory Hunting Club. Tuesday, day 4. It's about 7:30. I got out to the stand late today. I haven't seen a deer all season yet. Carl just sent a text because he was walking by Jeff's stand and saw a 4-pointer, or it might have been the deer that Joe shot that turned out to be a 6-pointer. Here's a little update for that. He thought it was a 4-pointer. So I picked its head up and looked at it. He saw 2 small, almost, maybe they were Brow-tines or somewhere along the main beam, but he saw 2 more points on it, so he took a shot, and I guess he missed. Open field in Carl's field, in the middle of the field, wide open. He said he went down to look. There wasn't any blood, just a lot of hair, a lot of white hair. He's thinking maybe it just grazed his chest. They looked for a bit, couldn't find it. So we had a winner for the buck bull finally. Jeff and Joe, they're not hunting today. They're gonna be leaving pretty soon. I'm not sure what Carl's plan is, if he's hunting all day or if he's gonna leave early afternoon. And I have to leave for a little bit, go sign some papers for the new condo, and that'll be a video coming up to say which condo we had. If you've seen our buying a condo in Myrtle Beach video, we'll be disclosing which one we bought. So yeah, I don't know what time I'll be leaving the woods, but I'm gonna come back and hunt the afternoon. And that's it. Let's hope I see a deer. I'll be happy with a small doe, a spiker. I just want to see a whitetail. And I'm gonna hook this up again. Hope it works. All right, yeah, like usual the last few days, I'll cut back in, especially if something's exciting happening or maybe 9:30, 10 o'clock now. See you then. Quarter after 11. Haven't seen a thing. Haven't heard from Carl, so I'm guessing he hasn't seen a thing either. Haven't heard a shot all day. I'm betting most hunters went home yesterday. They hunted Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And probably went home. Go back to work today, but you can see I'm at my stand again. The horseshoe field there. I don't know if I'm probably not going to stay till Wednesday. That was my plan, but it's supposed to rain kind of early tomorrow morning, so probably be leaving tonight, or depending on what time I have to leave to go sign for our closing, maybe just leave this afternoon, maybe not even hunt the full day. I don't know. That's all up in the air depending on what time FedEx gets to our house. Well, that's it. That's our 11:15 update. Well, since nothing's walking towards me, I'm gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna go, there's another stand not too far. We call it the Taj Mahal. You'll see why when we get there. I'm gonna take a walk there and mark that on the onX hunting app to mark stands and stuff. So go for a little walk, see if we see anything, and go to the stand. And there she is, the Taj Mahal 2. Now you see why it's called a Taj Mahal. Got sliding windows, steel door, porch. There's even a little heater in there. And here you go. The inside of the Taj Mahal. The porcupines getting to the wood. This is the stand I shot my first buck out of. It was out of this window. It was coming from over there, like kind of right on that ridge. And with this window down from the top, boy, it was a tricky shot because it kept coming closer till it got right there. So I'm trying to, on my tippy toes, reaching over, trying to see it in the scope. Finally got it in there, shot it, ran maybe 20 yards and dropped. A decent size 6-pointer, but it was my first buck. I was happy. Definitely got to cut some of these saplings down. Yeah. Stay in here for half hour or so, see if anything comes by. And I'll mark it on the onX app, hunting app. I'm gonna have to be leaving pretty early, or well, earlier than I wanted to get out of the woods so I can get home. And get the paper signed. Hopefully their FedEx will be delivering them. And the notary gets to the house on time and we get it all done. Well, it's Friday, 3 o'clock, back up at my stand. So far, Carl is the only one up. He logged in at 7 in the morning. Text him, he didn't see anything yet. Well, when we were at first texting, he didn't see anything, and then he said that 4-pointer might have been coming into his field. He could see a deer through the trees, looked like a buck. Oh, I'm at my stand now, 3 o'clock. Have an hour and a half to see if something comes by. I don't know when everybody else is coming up, so it's supposed to rain tomorrow, most of the day. Might get a couple hours, like 12 to 2 or something. So we'll play that by ear, see how that goes. All right, I'm gonna shut down and be quiet for an hour and a half. Hopefully Mr. 10-point comes in. I got a buck in the bottom of my field. I can't tell if it's a big one or not, but son of a bitch. I think it got me. I think it spotted me. It was a buck. Might have been a 4-pointer. I couldn't see any brow tines. But it must have noticed me moving and took off. That was him snorting. Oh. Hopefully it'll come back, or I can get a shot in the Smuckers field. All right. Hey, it's something, right? The buck came in at 4:30. Right now, 4:35, it's sundown. I have a half hour left of legal hunting. I'm gonna stick it out just to see what happens. I don't know if that was that 4-pointer or the 6 that Joe shot at, but gives me hope. All right, it's about 5 to 5. It's getting dark unless they come up at the top of the field, so I'm gonna start packing in, call it a day. Hello everybody. It's the middle Saturday. This is going to be one lousy video. Very boring. Just me coming on here every couple of seconds, video-wise, and saying I saw nothing. So Today it rained a little bit when I was walking to the stand about 6:30, quarter to 7. It started raining, and then it just stopped. I maybe got a couple of drops since then, but I think I showed you guys this before. I'm glad it stopped because I wasn't getting much protection. Haven't seen anything. It's about 10 o'clock. Heard a couple of shots. Sounded like coming from across the road over Davey Warren's place, but who knows? Nobody else is seeing anything. It's pretty windy today. The gusts are supposed to be over 30 miles an hour, and I've been getting a couple of them, but usually 10, 15, 20 miles an hour winds it's been. Oh, that's it for right now. Something exciting happens, I'll turn the GoPro on, and hopefully the Tactacam is kind of working right. I don't know if it was just not working that one day because I left it out in the truck with the rifle, and it just doesn't work in the cold. Maybe the batteries aren't suited for the cold, or the components aren't suited for the long-term cold. So hopefully that'll work. Wow, back in my stand. Walked in the woods for an hour, just between the two fields, just bouncing back and forth in the woods, trying to kick something out. Didn't see a tail, so I'm hoping that buck comes back again from last night. I doubt it, but I don't know. I wasn't seeing anything there, so might as well come here and not see anything. Okay, I'm up at the cabin again. It's Friday, the last weekend. It's about a little after 12. I'm gonna head in the woods. New place. I'm just gonna go behind the cabin till about 3:30 maybe at the latest. If I'm not seeing anything, then I'm gonna go to my stand and see if something comes in the field. So heading down that way now and trying something different. Nobody hunted down there yet this season, so that's it. I'll let you know what's going on when I get there. I found just a rock to sit on here just for a little while. Boy, there's massive poops everywhere from deer. I just can't believe we're not seeing any. This is a pretty decent spot. I marked a potential tree for a ladder stand when we move the other ones around. Right now, I think I saw a big rub over there. I'm gonna take a little walk to check that out, and maybe move my stand maybe down there just a little bit more, get a little more viewing area. Well, I'm at the rub, and to steal a line from Roadhouse. I thought it'd be bigger. Still not bad. Looks pretty fresh. Man. There are deer here somewhere, right? Nothing going on here either. This is tough. Hunting on the ground. There's too many little saplings to really get a shot off down here, and to see anything, it's hard. I think you definitely need a tree stand. Oh, it's around 2 o'clock. I think I'm gonna take a slow walk to my stand and maybe get there by 3. That's how slow I'm gonna walk. That's it. It's looks like it's a good area here, but definitely need to be in a ladder stand or in a tree somewhere. All right, no shooting all day. I didn't hear a shot. I don't know if the guys heard anything in the morning, but let's hope for something. Well, it's 3 o'clock. I'm back at my stand. I don't know why. But that's it. I'm gonna see if anything comes to the fields. They haven't yet, but who knows? We have another hour and a half and all of tomorrow, and then that's it till flintlock season. Oh, all right. I'll turn it back on if and when I see something. Jeff just shot a doe. He said a doe, a spike, and a button buck came into Carl's field. And he just taxed 6 doe in 15 minutes, or 6 deer in 15 minutes. So, oh, at least there's going to be something on the meat bowl tonight. 1 doe down. Still about an hour to go. So, all right, that's the update for now. Now it's 3:45. Just had a tiny little button buck come behind me. I think it was probably the one Jeff was seeing when he was in the Taj. So I guess they're kind of moving. Jeff shot his doe at 3:30. Said the one deer he took a picture was still in the field standing there. So, all right, 3:45. Button buck behind me. Let's see if something comes in the field now. Maybe from the bottom or from where the camera is over there. All right. Let's hope. Hello, everybody. It's about 8:30, final day of the rifle season. the Pennsylvania rifle season. I'm in a totally new spot. Well, different spot. That way's the cabin. I used to hunt this part of the property after I broke my back because I couldn't walk that far. And right over there is the Smucker field. The property line's not too far from here. No, I remember I killed one buck here. I was shooting from over there. That was, believe it or not, that was the only deer I've killed on the opening day. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Nobody's saying anything, so I don't think anybody's seeing anything. It's cold. It's 22 degrees. You'll hear them coming. The leaves are nice and crisp. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. This area we're supposed to get 2 to 4 inches, so hopefully deer will be moving at some point today. I'm gonna wait a little bit and take a walk on the poster line. There's a little bench seat behind the Smucker field. I'm gonna sit in that for a little bit and then maybe go to that ladder stand behind the Smucker field, or maybe just head back to mine. I did see that little button buck yesterday and a tail. The button buck came from behind me. The tail was up where the road to my stand meets the main road. It was bouncing that way towards Sally's Road. So that's it. It's the update for the last day of rifle season. Well, it's the 9:30 update. I'm in I don't know, this little wooden stand. Little wooden stand. It's been here, I don't know, Carl said, one of our members who's not a member anymore, that he built it, but I thought the one local guy said that this stand's been here for years and years and years. But anyway, it's the Smucker field's right behind me. The ladder stand we put up is right that way. And nice views here. This is looking onto Bennett's property. You can see the posters there. But yeah, this is probably one of the few spots where being on the ground might be a little better than being in the air. So, still haven't heard anything. Carl said he hasn't seen anything or heard anything except a red-tailed hawk. And haven't heard from anybody else, so I'm guessing nobody's hearing or seeing anything. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here till it's about 9:30 now. I don't know. Maybe 12, 1 o'clock, see what, if I'm seeing stuff, maybe I'll stay a little later, and then go back to my stand for the afternoon hunt, I guess. I don't know. Maybe today will be the day that a buck walks in, or even a doe. No, that's it. All right, everybody. It's about 2:30. I moved to Carl's field since this is the only place a deer was shot and shot at, so hopefully I'll at least see a doe. Ideally, I'd see that 10-pointer come in and stop broadside, but I'll take a doe. Well, it's 10 to 5. About 10 minutes ago, I saw a body of a deer walking through the woods. Oh. Right through there. Just walked right through, never came to the field or anything. By the time I saw it, it was already, I couldn't see if it had antlers or not. But it just kept walking. I just saw the body. It looked like a big bodied deer, but I thought it would maybe come out in the cove here. No, it didn't even get a chance to hit the play button, the record. And that's it. Like I said, it's about 10 to 5. Jeff's picking me up at 5 in the quad. Now that's it. I don't think anybody's going to be shooting now. So one doe. No buck again this year. And I didn't even think to get the GoPro out and record Jeff's doe. Sorry about that. Well, I guess we always have late season muzzleloader. I know Harry said he's going to come out with his bow and arrow. So I'll come out with my muzzleloader. Hopefully Jeff will too. Carl said he will. Well, we'll see. All right. I think I'm going to lower the rifle down and wait for Jeff. Pennsylvania rifle season 2022 coming to a abrupt halt without a buck. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit that like button. It means a lot to us. Leave a comment if you feel like, we don't get too many comments on the channel, so it's always nice to interact with everybody. All right. Thanks again. Till next one. Have a good day.